Tired of fumbling with credit cards every time you want to upload your music to Distrokid? There's an easier way. In this video, we'll show you how to set up Apple Pay as your payment method on Distrokid, making your music distribution process smoother and faster. First, make sure you have Apple Pay set up on your iPhone or iPad. Go to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Wallet in Apple Pay. Here, you can add a new card if you haven't already, or manage your existing cards. Make sure the card you want to use with Distrokid is set up correctly. Now, head over to the Distrokid website and log into your account. Click on your account icon or menu. It's usually in the top right corner. Find the payment method section. Within your account settings, it might say payment info or something similar. You should see an option to add or change your payment method. Look for the Apple Pay logo. If it's available, click on it. Your device will prompt you to confirm the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Once confirmed, you'll see a confirmation message on the Distrokid website saying that your Apple Pay payment was successful. That's it. Now you can use Apple Pay for all your Distrokid subscriptions and services. Enjoy a seamless and secure payment experience, and get back to making music. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful music distribution tips. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions.